Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we are going to be making delicious curry leaves chutney powder. Yum! So delicious and good, filled with flavor and spiciness and super duper deliciousness. Let's start by adding 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. You're going to roast these into a pan. You're going to roast them for a few seconds. After that's done, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds and 2 teaspoons of jeera. And you're going to fry these two as well. So fry them well. Make sure they're all fried nicely and roasted. After that, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. And you're going to be adding some chana dal and urad dal, 1 teaspoon each. Add that and then fry these as well. You're going to make sure they're fried well. And if they're a bit oily, that's okay. You're going to add some red chilies. Ooh, spiciness. Add a bit more if you're a fan of spiciness like me. Then you're going to roast it in medium flame. After it's all roasted nicely, you're going to add some curry leaves. Now this is the main thing. Make sure they're washed and dried under the shade. If they're dry curry leaves, you'll need less oil to fry them and it's faster and quicker too. You're going to keep mixing them in low-medium flame. And after 4 to 5 minutes, you'll see they're kind of changing color. And they're becoming all dry and crispy. You'll see they're nice and crispy and dark too. That's when you'll know that it's ready. You'll see it easily crumpled. So that means it can easily be turned into powder now. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of oil and you're going to add some tamarind. Tamarind is really hard to fry. So you're going to fry it for 2 minutes and try not to press it too much into the pan. After that, after it all cools completely, you're going to grind it into powder. You're going to add everything into the mixing jar. The chilies, the tamarind, the dal, everything. If it's a bit oily, remember, that's okay. You're going to turn it into powder too. And now, we're going to be adding ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder and a bit of salt. Add as much as you like. We're adding a lot because it's super spicy. So now we're going to add the main thing, which is the curry leaves. And you're going to turn it into coarse powder. Try to stuff them all in. It's easier to just grind them at once than grind them all separately. So just stuff them in there, push them down. And then it's ready. Delicioso. Yum. It's so delicious. You just have to try it as soon as it's ready because it's so good. It's especially delicious with rice, idli, and dosa, filled with flavor. It's also super healthy and can be stored up to 1 month. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to share this delicious treat with everyone you know. Bye!